Hello, this is Collins, your UX guy. So today I'll be sharing with you 4 YouTube channels that can help you improve your UI UX design skills. First on my list is The Future. This channel is a gold mine for design education and business insights. This channel offers tutorials, critique designs, and share career advice. Their videos cover UI and UX principles, typography, color theory, and many more. Second on my list is AJ and Smart. This channel is known for breaking down complex concepts and also providing actionable advice on UX design. Their video cover case studies and expert interviews. Third on my list is Charlie Marley. So Charlie covers web design, UI and UX design, and also the designer's lifestyle. So her videos include tutorials, vlogs, and insights into the design industry. Fourth on my list is the Nelson Norman Group. This channel is popularly known for UX research. They offer in-depth videos on UX research methods, usability, and design best practices. Their videos also covers expert advice and findings from extensive research. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your loved ones who might find this video useful as well. So also like my videos to help me grow the channel. Thank you.